The Biad. I love adding angle dimensions this way. You don't need to add construction geometry to add angle dimensions. So let me show you how to do that, all right? And the tip on how to make this work is you click the line you want the angle to, and then its endpoint, and then you pick these lines that represent the construction geometry, right? So here's what I want to add. I want that angle, okay? That's what I'm going to add, but this time without that construction geometry. So here's the line, here's the point, and now the Biad. I pick what would be the construction geometry, and I'm doing that all without any additional sketch geometry, okay? And it works in drawings too, okay? So I have the Biad up here in a drawing, and now I can use that line to add my angle dimension, right? So it's the actual model edge or the sketch geometry, and then the end point, and then you can use the Biad, all right?